least you don't succeed. Keep on sucking till you do succeed. Yeah.
Backyard Dispatcher. Got a new challenge for you guys. Since I haven't ever really started a challenge myself or anything like that, I figure it's about time I do that. So what I'm going to challenge is we've all shot the card and split it with one shot. But how many shots will it take you to get through it broadside? You got to cut the card in half, shooting at the card. It's got to be a plain card. Whoever does it in the least amount of shots. Now, Toxic, Matrix, your ass will be cheating and get your damn Zeus out. Now, I don't want none of that. We're going to make this hard. It's going to have to be done with the 177. You know, that would be the preferred one. Any Crossman air guns you might have that are shooting in the 177. But it doesn't have to be the Crossman. But I'd like to see other people shooting their 2400 KTs. Airgun Raider. I'd like to see you take a challenge. I'd like to see you do this. I'd like to see Johnny BB Gunner. And Jason Neely, King of Bling. I know you can do this. This is something easy you should be able to do. God, there's a lot of you. Essex. You British guys. Watch my channel. This should be easy for you to do. Yeah, splitting them in half is pretty easy. I'm gonna up it. The challenge to see what we can do shooting it across. Okay, let's go. Start cutting this thing in half. Camera down there is Basuda. Keeps turning off. I think it's still working. Can't really tell. Okay. I think I fixed that from coming loose. You know, I guess that's what I was going for.
Might not be able to do it on CO2. Get over. I think this gun's leaking. I really do. Keep trying. You too. Keep on sucking until you do succeeds. Here, this is no count.
Did it.